2025 Mercedes Benz GLC PHEV review. The best plug-in SUV yet? With 54 miles of electric-only range and more power than the standard GLC 300, does the 2025 GLC PHEV justify its premium price tag? The Mercedes Benz GLC has resonated with buyers since its debut in 2015, quickly becoming one of the brand's most sought-after models. By 2018, it was outselling most of the Mercedes lineup. And by 2020, it surpassed even the C-Class to become the brand's global bestseller. More people chose the GLC over the C-Class, an undeniable shift in preference toward luxury SUVs. The second-generation model, introduced in 2022, carried that momentum forward, further cementing the GLC's place at the top. In the US alone, over 65,000 were sold that year, proving that American buyers have a strong affinity for a well-executed Mercedes crossover. With a proven formula on its hands, Mercedes-Benz set out to refine it. Enter the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC 350 PHEV, a more efficient evolution of its bestseller. With an electric-only range of up to 54 miles, many daily drives can be handled in near silence without using a drop of fuel. For those not ready to go fully electric, it's a smart balance, efficient in the city, capable on the highway, and still every bit the luxury SUV buyers expect from Mercedes-Benz. A plug-in with a purpose. All GLC 300s are powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo that's enough for 204 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. However, being a plug-in hybrid, the 350e supplements power from a 136 HP 100 kilowatts electric motor, raising the total power output to 313 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Meanwhile, a 9-speed auto ensures power's fed to all four wheels via Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive, now standard across the lineup. For the stopwatch crowd, this translates to 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.3 seconds. But the GLC 350e is far more than that. Mercedes claims an all-electric range of up to 54 miles. One of the best figures in its class, ensuring most commutes can be handled on electric power alone. When it's feeding time, DC fast charging capabilities of up to 60 kilowatts allow for a quick top-up from 10 to 80% in roughly 30 minutes. Luxury is a given with Mercedes, and the GLC 350e takes that to heart. It's all about that airmatic air suspension, which gives this SUV a ride that's more akin to floating down the road than driving on asphalt. Bumps and potholes? Barely a ripple. Now, if you want real corner carving magic, you'll have to step up to the AMG versions with their available four-wheel steering, something you won't find on a BMW X3, by the way. The GLC 350e manages to be a confident companion on the road. The instant torque from the electric motor means there is a lot of low-end grunt, and the combination of the battery and combustion engine work together seamlessly. The result is a driving experience that is refined, quiet, responsive, and genuinely stellar. Exploring the GLC's inner world, step inside the GLC 350e, and you're immediately greeted by that signature Mercedes blend of high-tech wizardry and old-school luxury. It's a cabin that clearly aims to impress, and for the most part, it succeeds. Material quality is top-notch, as you'd expect in this price bracket. We're talking premium everything, from the soft touch surfaces to the optional, supple Napa leather that's a definite step up from the standard MB-Techs. Dominating the dashboard is Mercedes MBUX infotainment system, a digital duo consisting of a 12.3-inch driver's display and an 11.9-inch portrait-style touchscreen. It's crisp, it's colorful, and it's packed with features. including that augmented reality navigation that overlays directions onto a live camera feed of the road ahead. And, of course, you've got the "Hey Mercedes" voice assistant, which is always ready to, hopefully, do your bidding. The touch controls can be a bit fiddly, and some might find the sheer number of menus and options overwhelming. Less is sometimes more. Beyond the screens, the GLC 350e delivers on the comfort front. The front seats, especially when optioned with ventilation and massage functions, are a lovely place to spend time. Rear passengers aren't forgotten, either, with available multi-zone climate control and reclining seats. And if you really want to go all out, you can add options like 64-color ambient lighting, a thumping Burmester surround sound system, and a panoramic sunroof that bathes the cabin in natural light. Wireless smartphone integration via Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto is, thankfully, standard. So is a suite of driver assistance features, including active lane keeping and adaptive cruise, to make those highway miles melt away. Final thoughts. The future of transportation is undoubtedly electrified, and the 2025 Mercedes Benz GLC 350e makes a compelling case for plug-in hybrid crossovers. With an impressive all-electric range of 54 miles and a refined hybrid powertrain delivering substantial power figures, it finds the sweet spot between performance and practicality. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge tech, luxury appointments, or a practical transition into electrification, the GLC 350e offers an enticing glimpse into Mercedes-Benz's electrified future.